Hey, thanks for stopping by. Health and happiness to you. I'm Skol, and today we're doing a full tabletop review of the Tristate EDC Tristache knife. So Tristate EDC has a YouTube channel. He's a YouTuber, and he designed his own knife and called it the Tristache because the mustache is kind of his symbol. So there's his logo. Came with a cleaning cloth with the logo. It was a Blade Binge exclusive. Tristache version 2. So this is actually version 2 of the Tristache. His first version sold out, and his goal on version 2 was to make it cheaper and better, and I think he achieved that. He made some improvements to the design and also was able to bring the price down. And this is the full titanium version. I was lucky to be there in the first couple minutes to order one because these sold out in only 5 minutes. There was also a dark titanium version. Both of the titanium versions sold out in 5 minutes. So this is a front flipper, and it's actually my very first front flipper. So try new things, learn new skills. I had to learn how to do this, and what helped me is I figured out hold my hand high on the back, and then that gets me in the right spot. And then you put your thumb on the front flipper here, and then you can get a good rotation. So that was pretty good. I'll do it again. So new skills for me, front flipping, or improved front flipping. There we go. You also have a nice port here for your normal thumb hole opener, and you can do a reverse spidey flick, and then the front flipper. So let's put it on the scale here. We're getting 4.38 ounces. You might say that's a little bit high, but considering it's such a large blade, so let's actually look at the ruler. 8 inches overall length. So this is a large EDC pocket knife. And then you got 3-inch cutting edge, but that's because the choil is taking up some of the blade space there. And then your overall blade length there is 3 3/4, and your handle length is about 4 1/4, almost 4 1/2. So it's a nice size blade, milled titanium, good texture. Also adding to the weight, but also adding to the strength, is to have an extended backspacer with jimping. Then you got jimping on the spine of the blade, extended jimping. Jimping goes way out there, and that feels nice. And then you got your normal finger guard finger guard groove, but you can also choke up and use the choil, and you can get your thumb on the jimping there so you can choke way up. That feels nice. No hot spots. You got a nice titanium click there. This is got a swedge. It's a Wharncliffe shape, hollow ground, 154 cm blade, full titanium handle, and a lot of details that he adjusted. He's got the reverse. You can reverse the pocket clip, but it's already in the preferred spot for me. And you got the fill-in tab, which is nice. So let's try the thumb flip, and I'll show the reverse spidey flip. I'm not the best at those, but I can still do them. There's a thumb flip, and let's see, look down in the channel, get some details. It's a liner lock. That little groove there, watch the blade settle right in that little, see that little notch? And then the blade settles right in there. You see that? Trying to get the light on it. I think you can see it now. So that just helps everything settle in nice. He wanted to get the parallel lines, so he achieved that. And he wanted the porthole to be a little bit more accessible. He achieved that. And then it's got the Tristache logo on the pivot. And then there's actually nothing written on the blade, which is nice. I think it looks clean and smooth not to have any billboarding on the blade. There's zero billboarding on the blade. Nice, clean, and smooth. So Cole has good attention to detail, and I think he pulled off a really nice one here. So there's your Tristate Tristache. Did we do the stock thickness? Let's turn that on and zero it. .118. That's a good thickness for EDC blade. So what else is there to say? Pretty close to perfect. Very nice design. I like Wharncliffe's myself. I've learned how to do the front flipper. Getting better at it. Got good size, good feel, good aesthetics. Everything's good. No complaints here. Go check out Tristate's channel. Keep an eye on him. He's making, I think he even said they're going to make, since he sold out so fast, I think he said they're going to try to make another batch of the titaniums. But I know he has some other new designs in the works. So keep an eye on Tristate EDC, because I'm sure he's going to have some more good stuff coming out. And thanks for stopping by, and hope you enjoyed the quick review. I give it a high recommendation. And remember, always carry a knife.